Can an LLC issue K1? Yes, an LLC can issue a K1, but only if it has more than one member and is taxed as a partnership or an S-corporation. A multi-member LLC must file Form 1065 with the IRS, and along with it, the LLC provides each member a Schedule K1. The K1 shows each member's share of profits, losses, deductions, and credits, which they report on their personal tax returns. If an LLC is taxed as an S-corporation, it also issues K1s to shareholders. However, if the LLC is a single-member entity taxed as a sole proprietorship, it does not issue a K1. Instead, the owner reports business income on Schedule C of their personal return. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep your tax filings in order, including generating K1s for members if required. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.